So first of all guys, try to open your file location of Far Cry 4. You guys may have in your Steam file, or else like some of you will have on that is C, locality C. Okay, now when you are inside your file location, you just press on data win32, and inside that you will see sound dash. Some of you might see Hindi, Russia, which you have to change into English. Okay, you guys need to change this into English. You guys might have Russia, Hindi and all, so you need to change it into English. After that you need to go inside the world's folder. Okay, inside that you will see download content. If you guys have DLC and all, so you go inside that, and here also you will see some files which you will see in Russia or else like in Hindi. So these files which you will be seeing in Russia, Hindi and all, you have to change into English. Okay, you have to change this file into English. You just right click on that file and rename. After that you need to change this Russia into English or else like Hindi into English. Okay, after that again DLC 30 also you have to change that same thing into English. You guys will see Russia here if you have DLC. So you need to change all these things into English. Okay, this whichever file you will see Russia, you will have to change into English. You have to change here also into English, this folder also. So basically inside all this download content folder, in each file you have to change Russia into English or else like Hindi into English. Okay, after that you will go to FCC main. Here also you need to change into English. You will be seeing Russia, Hindi, so you need to change this one to in English. And multi-command too, you have to change this into English, because the game developer who made the game, so basically it doesn't work in Russia or else like in Hindi, so you need to basically change this all into English so that the game can read the directory and it can run the game. Okay, so basically you need to change all these things into English. So inside the file download MCC main multi-command, you need to change all the Russia and Hindi into English. Okay, so it's like that. You need to right click, rename and change these things. I also faced the same problem. I have been waiting for 30 minutes but it didn't work, so I basically started seeing some old videos, and one of the guy, I forgot the name, I saw his video and I tried and it works, and thanks to him. So you just need to go now in bin and right click, and guys always run as administrator. Okay, so basically mine is working now, and hopefully you guys your game will work as like mine. Okay, sorry for my language. This is my first video I'm been making for you guys. Thank you. So you all just enjoy it. So it works, or else you have to stay 30 minutes 45 minutes, still it won't work, but it's working now. You guys can enjoy it. Hopefully you guys will find many videos in YouTube. I think some of it works, some of it doesn't, but hopefully this will work for everybody, for everyone. Okay, so you just need to try once. Believe me, it works. See, it works.